Well, good morning. Come on in. Say hello. Say good morning. Say something. Say y'all. Say maybe. Say Merry Christmas. I don't know. Happy Easter. Say some damn thing. Come on in. Hit click. Click, click. Like and share. We're going to talk about something cool today. So, listen, y'all. If you like your house to smell good when you clean and not all chemicals, something stinky, I got the solution. I do. And if you don't like housekeeping, I got something that'll make it more fun. Because it'll smell amazing and not like chemicals. Yeah, that stuff. And if you like cleaning, I don't know what to say. So, y'all, hold on a minute. I gotta get a little something. So, I love to clean my bathroom in an easy way. Yes, I said easy. No, I'm not easy. But I like to clean my bathroom easy. So I get me a little damp rag to start off with, y'all. That's all it is. Water, baby. Warm water. That's it. And then I like to just take, this is my bathroom, little vanity, and I just like to wipe it off with the warm water because I'm going to show you how easy you're going to make this all pretty and shiny just with little wipey. No scrubby, okay? Now, if you're cleaning your bathroom once every 6 months, you might need to put some elbow grease into it. But I just do a little wipe down with warm water. Little wipey down. That's it. And then y'all, I take this stuff. Now, this stuff is amazing. This one happens to be the Scentsy bathroom cleaner, which is the fragrance squeeze of the day. So, put on sealed surfaces. It builds a barrier over time, so it makes your cleaning even easier. Did I say easy? Easy cleaning? So I do a few spritzes. I don't do a lot, y'all. Just a few. That's it. So it lasts me a while. I'm not into waste either. I don't like chemical smell and I don't like waste. I have to work hard for my money. So then I just give this little boo baby a wipe down again. Nothing hard at all. You just scrub it buffy a little bitty. You see how I'm just wiping. I'm not into all that carrying on nonsense of scrubbing until my fingers bleed. I have to do that 5 days a week, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, just wipe it down. And then you're like, oh, but you're going to leave that. You're just going to leave the cleaner on there? Well, you could. And look at the sparkle. This stuff really makes your countertop sparkle. But I usually just do one more little wipe down with warm water. That's it. And I am done this whole vanity in no time, and it will look awesome. And guess what really matters to me? Yes, clean matters. But it smells so good, y'all. Look, just wipe it down. You ain't got to scrub and get all carried away, making housework harder than it already is. Like I said, if you like housework, well, And then y'all, listen, this counter cleaner, y'all, is awesome. Not only because it works really good and it creates that barrier on your sealed surfaces to make your cleaning easier, but I always have a backup. Because it comes in so many fragrances, your cleaner can always smell good and different. You don't have to have the same old stenchy chemical stuff all the time. This one, Johnny Appleseed. Love it. That's next on the lineup. But y'all listen, you can get this stuff in Aloe Water and Cucumber, Blue Grotto, Fiesta Lime, Johnny Appleseed, Lemon Verbena, Squeeze of the Day, Sunkissed Citrus, and then you can get the matching all-purpose cleaner to clean the bathroom floor with, or your kitchen floor. Or I spray the all-purpose cleaner on the refrigerator, stove, and microwave and wipe them down. But yes, the matching all-purpose cleaner for the floor is awesome. So look, y'all. In that little bit of time, you get a pretty shiny surface. Takes you no time. You don't have to break your neck to clean. It's not expensive. And the all-purpose cleaner, you get 6 ounce bottles out of one bottle. So it works out to be like $3 a bottle. It's pretty cheap. Real cheap. And it works amazing. So that's that, y'all. I'm off. I've got corned beef in the crock pot. I got laundry whirling. And now I've got the bathroom started. I got to hit the store to get a little thing to go with dinner tonight. And there's a nap in my future.